In this video, we're going to be talking about domains of trigonometric functions and then using those to help us evaluate trigonometric functions. So here we have our 6 trig functions: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Notice that the domains for sine and cosine are all real numbers, so they don't have any restrictions. For tangent, though, for all of our t's, we're basically saying that t cannot equal 2n plus 1 times pi divided by 2 for any integer n. So we're going to be excluding odd multiples of pi over 2, or 90 degrees. For cotangent, we're saying that t cannot equal n times pi for all integers n. So we're excluding multiples of pi, or 180 degrees. For secant, you're going to notice that that's actually the same as tangent, right? Those are the same. So we're excluding odd multiples of pi over 2, or 90 degrees, because t cannot be 2n plus 1 times pi over 2 for all of our integers n. And then notice that for cotangent and cosecant, that those actually match as well. So t cannot equal n times pi for all integers n. So we're excluding multiples of pi, or 180. Let's go ahead and take a look at a little diagram we have here. So we've got that we have the cotangent and where it's undefined. And so our cotangent and our cosecant are both undefined here at this point. Tangent and secant are going to be undefined here. Cotangent and cosecant are going to be undefined here. And then tangent and secant will be undefined here. So let's go ahead and let's do some evaluating. A little bit too far. Oh, there we go. So we're going to evaluate the function, or the state that the function is undefined, at the given value. So here we have tangent of 3 pi over 2. Now 3 pi over 2 corresponds to the point 0, negative 1 on the unit circle. And because we know that the tangent of 3 pi over 2, tangent is really our y over our x. So if we take those points and we stack them, we get negative 1 over 0, which is going to give us undefined. So here we see that we are undefined at this place. Now for secant at negative 180, well, negative 180 degrees is going to put us at what point? It puts us at negative 1, 0 on the unit circle. Secant happens to be 1 over x. So let's see, let's write that a little bit better. So the secant of negative 180, our points for that are going to be 1 over x. So if we plug our values in, that's going to give us a 1 over, and our x value here is negative 1, and 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. And here we get our answer for the secant at negative 180 degrees. So knowing where functions can be evaluated and where they're going to be undefined is a really helpful tool.